Did you notice this forest night? I don't know what happened. Guys, are we there yet? Not yet.
So what do you do this?
Yes, my birthday happened. Wait, guys, what is that?
Where is it? Oh no!
How does plan our police pig? Why would you need us? I don't know about what happened. Okay, turn left. Oh, fine. Then later turn left. Then we turn right or turn left? The left one. Okay. So that maybe if this one is the plan is. Oh my god, oh shit, it is a potato, what the fuck is the potato? Dude, it's bad words, it's not nice. Sorry. Guys, that maybe monster is getting on us, we are gonna be die.
Yes, can we just invite me for information about this nice stuff?
How I will answer in this biggest landing upstairs, so better I am scared, Mr. Old.
So, what are you doing now?
Wait, the noise, yo, hide immediately. I think the police car is gone now already.
Oh my god, what the hell is that?
Oh no, it's not your room. Leave my Zio alone.
Oh yeah, now are you meaning to say Zio? Honey, you never next time you better finish.
Look, it is a fly, what the hell is this? Wait, I know the sounds. It sounds like a police. Okay, this is a police pig. Now here we have you. Police, there is sounds like a monster. It something like a potato. It means this name is from the rodent potato.
Griffin!
The second name is Creepo. Creepo, huh? Creepo is a Minecraft monster who will be identified video games from in Minecraft. A Minecraft creeper who wants to destroy our world. It don't want everyone names for heavens. For we haven't you. Well, I want to ride the police car. Don't worry, get in the police car.
Okay, now give me a down.
Okay, you're just kidding. So I better enough. Okay, let me mean viewers.
So where are we going now?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the civil emergency message, approximately 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Extremely dangerous, seen roaming in the streets. It can walk, and not attack dinosaur alive. It's not a confirmed, but potato was to another situation. At this time, police trying to stop this potato. All residents get evacuation to immediately. If you see this police, call 911 immediately. Do not approach this potato. It can attack you or not. Sue for radio, TV, and radio station for information about this situation.